This is how to fix a squeaky office desk chair. You will need WD-40, some Allen wrenches, and a clean cloth to wipe afterwards. The first reason for a squeaky chair is loose screws. Tighten all of them with your Allen wrench. The second reason for a squeaky chair is unlubricated metal-on-metal friction. So spray all areas where the metal is touching. Lastly, use a damp cloth to wipe up any leftover excess of WD-40. Also, be sure to wipe the floor if you got any on the floor along the way. A squeaky chair sounds like you're auditioning for a haunted house, but if you implement the steps I've outlined in this video, you can expect to have no more squeaks, no more distractions, and no more annoying chair noise. It's so annoying, I didn't even add it to this video to put you guys through it.